Yo, what's good, guys? Let's double check the SEI USDT trading pair with my customer said. What's going on now? I'm so disappointed, when I see this type of metrics. First of all, by chart, I guess, yes, in the most positive case scenario, we can hit the new all-time high. It can be like, I don't know, around $1.50 in the most positive case scenario. Guys, take a look once again how the people brainwash it with the fundamental of this token. So the SEI chain, right, generate the $265 revenue. So it's fees and the revenue. So this is how the SEI useful, right? So this is a TVL. I have no idea how it even possible, So this token still got like total value locked at over than 210 millions. And it's just a mind-blowing 265 chain revenue, chain fees. With still here, say FDV 1.39 billion. I'm not sure it is correct. Yes, it's correct. Wow. FDV is still 1.4 billion, and this change generated less than 300 revenue. Market capitalization over than 891 million. And imagine this token raised 35 millions. And the problem with this fundraising rounds, guys, so now it's 14 cents price in 2025 by end of almost 2025. Take a look, the private round was without even a date. So they in total, right? I don't know how it even possible. So they raised like 35 million. It showed only on 2022 and 2023. So it's not count this private round, right? But here is a 50 million undisclosed round, 2023, right, or whatever. So take a look, the private round, the price was 4 cents. Seed round in 2022 was 0.205. Imagine that guys who invested. I mean, the venture funds, this is a cycle of the venture funds who invested in seed round, on priority rounds. At 0.205, they still, at current prices, at around 2.7, 2,700% gains, 27x. It's just mind-blowing, how the retails react by venture fund this time. So it's kind of weird, There's zero trust. I guess since 2023, I have zero trust in all of this fundamental stuff what they trying to shill us. It's just a money laundry, So they run some chain, run some token, just generate a profit out of the token, reinvest in another one. So this is a infinity money printing. So in crypto. So imagine at the all-time high, they been like in 22,723% gains. And they still got like unlocks. Because only here, 63% tokens unlocked. All-time high by market capitalization was like 3.12 billion. And the price was around here. So like you can see, the green one, it's a price. The blue one, it's a market capitalization. And this is how the unlocks affect the price. So the more tokens in circular supply, price can going down, but market capitalization can go up. That's why I would be not surprised, if we'll drop once again the zone of interest. Of course, we use the initiation accumulation pump model. Hope you're not hopping in here after listing, it's a monthly time frame, because we got a pretty good model, initiation accumulation pump model. You can use it totally for free. Just go and check for educational videos. So this is a model listing, and I posted the video in August 23. Listing, drop, the okay zone to buy, not the best one, and we pump it 1,000% gains, this one. So I hope you're not hopping around here, because the people scream, we go into the moon, and after that we'll land it back here. We tested 27 block like support now, bounce it, test it, 38 level by FIB, and after even the 2 years, this FIB still relevant. Now we on Donald Trump dump, we collapsed it under 8 cents, even under the best zone to buy. All of these zones absolutely on the same places. So initiation, accumulation pump model, you can find the even tutorial on the trading view totally for free. So this is the best zone to buy. What's the best zone to buy? And still, in validation of this idea, if the token dump under 6 cents, listing price on the Binance, got it. The prices, guys, absolutely still the same. We can trade even 1 more year, for example, in this range. So here, you can open chart of ENS, for example, and find out, so this stock can trade 4 years in the same range, in the same FIB, in the same levels. So we can trade like this one. I hope not. Of course, we got like this hypothetical downtrend line. Where that line? We can cut all noise, build a trend line. I'm not a fan of the trend lines, but you know, the people love to draw something like this one. 1, 2, 3. So the third one pump should be over than 30 cents, and we should retest and go higher to the moon. For me personally, this one can be the most positive case scenario for the, say, you know, $1.50 around. From now, it's amazing gains. It's like 1,000%. So now let's double check what indicator said what's going on with the SEI. Technically, guys, I think yes, we will see some rebound for the altcoins, but it's hard to say how high, you know, we will pump. So just a matter of time, of course, when the liquidity will start inflowing into alts. Based on ADZ on a weekly time frame, we form it looks like a double bottom on ADZ, and it's yes, it's the warranty. Even the warranty March 25, the price was 14.24. I'm not count that week, so even now it's like 13. So yes, it's a weekly divergence. It's bullish. So definitely the time to sell will be similar like it was here, and we can pump. You know, we can form the new high, but not new all-time high. It's also possible. That's why, guys, if you're ready to accumulate at 14 cents, and if you believe in this project, you know, if you believe in no matter it's like a speculation or you believe in the fundamental of this stock, and you can buy it 14 at 28 just withdraw initial deposit, and don't worry about it. Direction, we just in the middle, so it's neutral. Daily, also it's accumulation. It's technically accumulation. Let's double check, by the way, week. You remember this strategy with the weeks when we count the correction after the crazy dumps. Now we try hold the line at 0.5. So locally, by end of this month, the worst case scenario, I guess it's dropped to 9 cents 92 and 8 cents 85. So this is it. So this is what we can see, you know, next few weeks, you know, if we'll see the continuation down, right? So the positive case, if we hold the line around 14 and 12.34 and rebound higher. So that's it. Direction now neutral without any money inflow, money outflow. Nice one. Market smooth, it's a capitulation disbelief. Everything you can track with my customer said, by the way, by end of just 3 days. And going the minus 50% deal Black Friday for all SAT, what you can see now. Market mood on a weekly is capitulation. It's a good one. So the last time capitulation being here, we bounced, it's small bounce. Here was February 25 till April 25. In average, like 13 and 40. That's why, guys, once again, 100% profit. It's not a mistake to fix and withdraw initial deposit. Monthly still A-free. Of course, it's still A-free because the guys who invested on priority rounds still in profit over than 2,000% gain. So it's just a mind-blowing how they manipulate the price. It's not a manipulation on the price on the chart. It's manipulation by human emotional, you know, and the promises, useless promises, because you promise something about a chain, about the new solution, and at the same time you just distribute your tokens. Of course, it's just a marketing game. This is why I hate the crypto this cycle. You know, here the money inflow, some money inflow. Last time money inflow was here, March 25. We bounced it from 14, 17 to 30. All right, so be ready to fix a profit at this downtrend line. And the last, let's hide on this FIB. Last two indicators, guys, let's take profit. Trade on and take profit. Trade on, take profit. So technically we underrated, definitely underrated. So one day, definitely we're gonna test the take profit line. Now it's 46.30, exit line, it's 52. So you can add alerts and track. So alerts, I added a lot of alerts for this seconds take profit line on the weekly. I will see the notification. So I highly recommend you also use that alerts. It saves you a lot of time. Even some craziness lines, you know, here, for example, I post for the metal line price, I add, no, that one. In August, I add alerts for the Solana buy line. in August, and it's triggered only in November. It saved a lot of time, and I'm not gambled with a solid high price target, so I'm waited the buy line. The same way now you can buy now, for example, under fundamental value and fix the profit at the take profit line and the exit line. Daily, technically here was a signal to sell. By the way, its signal to sell was in summer, not on a flash crash. Here's a take profit, buy, bounce, buy. And I think we can drop to the fundamental value. It's 1169. If not, the road will be open to the take profit at 31 and exit line, test of the downtrend line. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about it. Say, if you like to trade with my custom set, now it's minus 50% deal for all set by end of November. Write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.